Good morning, my good people. My name's Maclean Luvandwa. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to prepare or cook omena and sardines for dinner. I have my pili pili hoho or bells. Then I have my green coriander. I have to wash it. I have my sardines. I have my tomatoes, my garlic, my onion, and my ginger. Yeah, I remember sometimes in the video, sometimes back, I told you that I like cooking with the garlic and the ginger, guys. So let's start preparing the ingredients, then we cook together the omena. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and I'll appreciate it. God will bless you for me. I'll start by grating my garlic. I'm not going to use a lot of garlic and ginger. I'm just putting a little bit. This is ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic, guys. Then I'll have to cut my onions. My vlogs revolves around cooking because I like cooking, though I never went to cooking school to learn how to cook. Just learn it from my mother. Because in Africa, more so in Kenya and western part of the country, we are taught how to cook at the very early stage. At 8 years, 9, I know how to cook ugali, tea. Now here is my garlic, ginger, and onions. I have to chop my onions. A little bit of oil. Just put a little bit of oil. I continue cutting my own. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My good name is Maclean Luvandwa Ashona, and I'll appreciate it so much, guys. My omena is cooking. And I'll have to add milk. Milk. The onion must look like the golden brown in color so that you can add the tomatoes, guys. Karibuni tupike. Karibuni tupike. Now I have to put my tomatoes. As the tomato is cooking, I have to cut my bell pepper. I'm adding salt into the tomatoes and the onions so that it continues cooking while I'm cutting the bell pepper. Let me cut the bell pepper. I normally want the tomato to cook together with the bell pepper. And when I'm cooking sardines, I like putting a lot of tomatoes. Tomatoes. This is my sardines. Let me put it here so that you can see it nicely. How does it look, guys? My sardines. Guys, my onions is ready. Now I have to put my sardines. My onions is ready. I put my sardines. Let me show you how it looks like. So guys, some people can eat it like this, or they add soup. As for me, I'm going to add soup. Soup is the milk. I'll add milk and the coriander. Yeah, now my omena will be ready. Now I'll add my milk. As I cut my coriander, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, and I'll appreciate it, guys. I like adding garam masala in my food, or turmeric. Garam masala, or turmeric. And also you can add coconut powder if you have. You can add. But as for me, I don't have coconut powder, so I'll just add garam masala and turmeric. Then I'll add my coriander, guys. and I'll cover it. But before I cover it, I want you to see what I've done, how my sardines look like. Here are my sardines, and they are ready, guys. My sardines are ready. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Love you very much. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.